Welcome to the Maker Studio series, brought to you by Janome and Justhands-on.tv. In this episode of the Maker Studio, we meet quilter and artist Lucy Engels, who inspires us with a colourful modern quilt design, using a foundation paper piecing technique that she calls controlled improv. You'll learn how to map out your own template and sew the pieces together. You'll also see how Lucy quilts with different colour and weights of thread to accentuate the pattern. Lucy encourages us to experiment with colour to create more movement in our quilt. We'll also join industry experts for a roundtable chat about the finished project. Jane Brogan is a Janome technical expert and regional manager, and Linda Seward is a quilting expert and author. You can watch every episode of the Maker Studio for free at Justhands-on.tv and janome.co.uk. Happy sewing!